Good morning. Welcome to Feven. My name is Michael Kanas and I'm from Feven. We are here to make a film on the concepts of math which we can integrate into everyday life. The purpose of this is to create a lesson plan by which we can apply the concepts like areas, perimeter, volume, and distance into our everyday life. Math is everywhere. Let's begin with our lesson plan. Remember, you only need 3 things, and here they are. You need papers, you need a tape roll, and you need a pen. Why? That's because we are going to measure some of the structures on our home site. So let's begin with the cooking house. Okay, I'm gonna call on my assistant to come and help me. Frederick, come. The purpose of this exercise is to find the area of the cooking house. So we are going to measure the length and the width of this cooking house, and we will record it, because when we put down the measurement, that's when we can be able to calculate and find the area of this cooking house. Hold this. I want you to go to the end of where the roof is, and okay, so here we have the width at 18 feet and 7 inches long. Cooking house or cookhouse. Width. That's width is W. When you write it, so you just write W and then you set 18 feet and 7 inches. Next, we are going to measure the length. Come this way, please. Make it, yeah. Okay, here we have the length at 19 feet and 5 inches. Next, we are going to measure the shower compound. Now, when we talk about area, we must always keep in mind that the length should be the longest length and the width should be the short one. Please bring the tape. Go to the very end of it. The measurement is at 8 feet, and this is the width of the shower house. After finding the width, we are going to find the length of this shower house. The measurement is at 9 feet and 9 inches. This is the gravesite for my grandparents and my oldest uncle. This is my grandparents are on my father's side. So we're going to measure the length and the width of my grandfather's grave. Okay, the width is at 5 feet, 6.5 inches. Now we are going to find the length of the grave. Nine feet, 7.1/4 inches. Now we are going to measure the area of the sleeping house. First, we are going to find the length of the sleeping house. The length is at 30 feet and 6 inches. My assistant is going to move around to the width side because we're going to measure the width of the sleeping house. The measurement is at 29 feet 9.5 inches. We are going to find the volume of the water catchment. Basically what you need is you need to know the height of the catchment and then the circumference in order for you to be able to determine the volume of the catchment. So now what we are going to do is first measure the height of the catchment. Yeah. Our height is at 5 feet 9.1/4 inches. Next, we are going to do the circumference. Circumference is the measurement around the water catchment. So I'm going to ask my assistant to stand here while I go around with the measuring tape. And here we go. And here we have our circumference as at 29 feet 3.5 inches.